And now it's time for your nature report. And here's your nature reporter, Payton Martin.
Hello. This is a nature lake. You can see it. And if you can't see it a lot, come closer. Get it closer to look. See a nature red tree over there. And there's a tree in the nature water. And you can see a little nature lake over here. And as you can see, there's a lot of caterpillars over here. You can see that. Nature caterpillars. And over here is some nature trees and some nature moss and a nature bird. And there's nature bottles that I have no idea how they got there. These are nature cutters. They cut trees down. See? These are poisonous. You can't touch them or you get itchy. And over here is mushy stuff. Mushy. You can feel it's mushy. And you can just know it's mushy. Here's a nature dead leaf. See it? See it? It's black. Get real close in here. See? Has a little spider web on it. And look over there. It's a tree in the water. And that's all I had today. Goodbye. This is Nature Report. It's all done. See you next week on the Nature Report.